Hello everyone. BlueStacks is the go-to platform if you want to enjoy Android games and applications on your Windows PC. In fact, it is considered the best Android emulator ever released for Windows. Most of the basic features of BlueStacks are free to use. But like anything else on the internet, BlueStacks also has its own set of problems. Among these, BlueStacks crashing on Windows 11 PC has been a source of concern for users recently. Although there can be different reasons behind the problem, most of the time, corrupted software or an outdated version of the platform is causing the crash. So, if you are also facing BlueStacks crashing problems on Windows 11, then this is the place where you need to be. Before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps listed below, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First method is to make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Aside from that, BlueStacks also has a recommended system requirements to be able to run the program on your computer. You may refer to these list. Fix 2. Make sure your computer has the latest graphics card driver installed. To do that, click on the Windows icon. In the search bar, type Device Manager and select Device Manager. The Device Manager window will pop up. Expand the Display Adapter option by double-tapping on it. Now, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Lastly, choose the Search Automatically for Driver option to initiate the update process. Once updated, restart BlueStacks and check if the problem is fixed or not. Fix 3. Turn off the antivirus. There are instances when the antivirus program will interfere with the operation of BlueStacks. To check if this is what's causing the problem, you should try to disable the antivirus. In this video, we will be turning off Windows Defender. To do this, first click on the Windows icon, select Settings. In the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Select Windows and Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. Now, turn off Real-Time Protection. After disabling the antivirus, check if the BlueStacks crashing on Windows 10 issue still occurs. Fix 4. Turn off Hyper-V service. Click on the Windows icon, type Control Panel. Then select Control Panel from Results. Click on Uninstall a program. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Hyper-V service and click on OK. You have finally disabled the Hyper-V service on your Windows 11 PC. Restart your computer. Fix 5. Reinstall BlueStacks with latest version. Click on the Windows icon, type Control Panel. Then select Control Panel from Results. Click on Uninstall a program. Here, you will find a list of all the applications installed on your Windows 11 PC. Right-click on BlueStacks and select Uninstall. You have finally uninstalled BlueStacks from your Windows 11 PC. Now, it's time to download the latest version, BlueStacks 5. Once downloaded, install it on your system, and check if you are still facing the BlueStacks crashing issue. Fix 6. Change BlueStacks settings. Open BlueStacks application on Windows 11. Press the Ctrl+Shift+I shortcut key to open the settings menu on BlueStacks. Now, you will have to change some numbers of different options present under the Performance section. Change the CPU allocation to 4 cores. Change memory allocation to high, 4 GB. In the Performance mode, choose High Performance. Now come to the Graphics section of the settings. Make sure the Graphics Engine mode and Graphics Renderer is set to Performance and OpenGL respectively. Change the Interface Renderer to OpenGL and ASC Textures to Software Decoding. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now restart BlueStacks and see if you are still facing the crashing problem.